Well, it is Thursday. You know what that means?
Tomorrow's Friday.
Oh, thank God. Okay, a lot of stories of questionable credibility from our good friends at the tabloids. In the Inquirer, Brad moves out as his life with Angelina falls apart. According to them, the tab says Brad has finally moved out and he's headed back home to the U.S. Angie told Brad that she wants to permanently move into a chateau in the south of France and raise their 4 kids there. But Brad, who grew up in Missouri, had different plans for their family. He wants to come back to the Golden State, to one of his homes.
Golden State Chateau. You got all the cliches going on.
Let's say Brad Pitt's Golden State Chateau outside.
Yeah, exactly. Just in case anyone was wondering. Either to the homes in Malibu, Santa Barbara, or the Los Feliz area. A friend,
Just plain folk.
Yeah.
You gotta decide which
down
one.
to earth.
Canoga Park, Reseda.
A friend said the more time they spend together, the more they're discovering that they want different things from life. Although if you read other magazines, it says they sit there and they laugh at all the rumors because they're happier than ever. This may be one of the tackiest covers yet for the Globe.
No, it's not.
It's not?
Yeah, it's tied with many others.
Okay, who will die first? Nice. They have photos, of course, of Britney and Lindsay, but also Michael Jackson, President Bush, Angelina, and Oprah.
So if it's tacky, why are you reporting on it?
Because Thursdays, that's what we do here.
Okay.
That's what we do.
All right.
The Globe
I like that moral justification.
That's what we do.
Right.
The Globe asked a doctor to assess certain celebrities' risk factors and make her analysis. For example, she says, it appears Britney is suffering from a major psychological disorder and that it might actually be bipolar. Could be that. The doc then predicts how much longer they'll live. Sick, I know, but I also know you want to hear what she has to say. The doc says if these people don't get help or straighten up fast, I haven't pre-read any of this. Britney won't make it to the age 30, Lindsay won't see 25, and Michael Jackson has no more than 5 years left. At the other end, Angelina's going to have a long, healthy life, and so will George Bush and Nicole Richie.
If you're not already bipolar,
I hear yelling in the booth. Are they yelling at me for the way I read that?
No, you did great.
Okay.
But if you're not,
wait, excuse me.
I could hear Lisa yelling.
Give her a break. She didn't read it earlier. She doesn't know the story. It's okay. Just stop it. She's okay.
I could hear you.
Yeah.
I heard you.
But if you weren't already crazy, wouldn't you be made crazy by being called bipolar? And I think that would just feed on itself.
The whole thing.
I think that by themselves it's fine, but we just spent more time on some expert who doesn't know any of them making comments on how long they'll live than we did on Iraq today. Okay?
Are you trying to make me feel bad?
I don't have to.
You're right.